When Yvonne Ngatich crawled home in the Austin Marathon last month, she was celebrated for what many called a heroic finish. The 29-year-old Kenyan led the race for the better part before her body gave in about 2 meters to the finish.
But the last 2 kilometers, I don't remember. Finish line, I have no idea.
This isn't the first time a Kenyan athlete has struggled to complete the 42-kilometer run. In April 2014 in Italy, Eliud Magut fell 3 times before race officials put him in an ambulance. Almost 11 months on, Magut is back in training for the next marathon.
I ran very fast that day and it was so humid, so the glucose levels in my body went too low. I saw that I'm almost at the finish line and I told myself I can keep falling and getting up as long as I get to the finish.
Sometimes can be a lack of training, but is definitely not easy to predict. Can be something to do with the food. It's not easy to say. Let me say that marathon itself is a bit mysterious. From our side, from my side as a coach, together with my athletes, we try to make sure that no one goes to a race unless there is a certain level of fitness.
The question often asked is why these athletes don't receive any help from race marshals even when they show signs they are clearly hurting.
Athletics has its rules. If they had helped me up and to the finish line, then I would be disqualified, and nobody wants that.
Marathon running is athletics' most grueling discipline, but with it comes huge rewards in terms of prize money. It is the financial motivation which often sees athletes through the 42.195 kilometers.
We should not take advantage too much of the extra motivation, which is true. It can be an advantage sometimes, but sometimes can be dangerous. It's difficult to understand where is the limit. Where is the point where an athlete should say, no, stop.
The most important thing in marathon running is to finish in a podium place. 42 kilometers is a long distance, and so a top 3 finish ensures that you pick a better payout at the end of it all.
Make sure uko top 3 alafu upate pia kitu mzuri. Wenda aliambiwa ukikimbia time.
An athlete is often given a target of time in a race, and many a times it ties to the amount that you'll earn. When you think of the problems at home, you really push yourself to make sure you at least get the financial reward as promised in the race.
Magut's coach says the athlete's experience has helped him. He often advises other athletes to know when to say it is enough. But athletes will still keep pushing themselves in the ultimate endurance test. Celestine Karonai, CCTV, in Eldoret, Kenya.